Today I am going to demonstrate as to how to manage the flat files, because the flat files always used to be a major problem in management. Earlier we used to keep the flat files like this, and then whenever we required it, we used to remove like this, and in the whole process all the files were getting damaged. So to avoid that, and when I have to replace it, my goodness, it was a major problem. So to avoid this, we use these boxes, or we recommend people to use these boxes, wherein you can keep number of files depending on their thickness. So in some places there are 4 files, some 8 files, so on and so forth. Now this is numbered here, and if you can see, a number of location where it is folder is to be kept is also mentioned here. Now besides this, so I know if this folder is taken out and gone for some reason outside, I know when it comes back, it has to be in this position, in this location. Now the list of files are mentioned here, so it's easy to retrieve those files. Now suppose I want this particular file. When I remove it, there is a return address given, D5. So this will, when I want to keep it back, it will go in folder D in 5th place. Similarly, any other folder. Now suppose I move this, this is B, this is B, this is 4th file. So I put it, when I want to put it back, it's simple. Now with this shadowing technique, the boxes, your entire file management will be very simple. So I think let's start doing it.